Have you ever looked at polymer clay projects on Instagram or Pinterest and wondered, how do they get that perfect glass-like finish? So let's talk about that today. UV resin creates a beautiful shine and makes the delicate parts of your creation more durable. But the downside is that it can get sticky, bubbly, or messy. So today I'm going to walk you through my exact process, step by step, and hopefully by the end of it, you'll feel more confident about using UV resin. UV resin is a one-part resin, which means it does not need to be mixed with anything else. It cures very fast under a UV lamp, usually taking around 2 to 5 minutes to fully harden, depending on the strength of your UV lamp and the size of your project. For UV resin, I usually use Mr. Resin or Osbang, but you can use any UV resin brand that you like. You will also need a UV lamp. Make sure it is at least 36 watts. UV lamps with lower watts usually aren't strong enough to cure the UV resin fully and will leave your piece feeling sticky. You'll also need some kitchen paper towel, an old paintbrush with soft nylon tips, a silicone cup or disposable paper cup, a plier or crocodile clip if you are glazing charms, nitrile gloves, safety mask, and rubbing alcohol. The chemicals in uncured resin can cause skin irritation, rashes, or allergic reactions, so please make sure you follow these safety precautions. Wear nitrile gloves and a mask, and make sure to open a window for ventilation. After finishing the project, always wash your hands with soap and wipe down your work surface. If there is dust on your clay, the resin will stay trapped in there, so I usually wipe down my piece first before I start glazing it. Then squeeze a small amount into the silicone cup. If you are glazing a charm, use a crocodile clip to help you grasp onto the eye pin. If you are glazing a small figurine like mine, I usually secure it onto a platform that I can hold onto simply using blue tack. Start by brushing on the first layer of UV resin and keep your layer as thin as possible so you don't end up with lumps. If you notice that your resin is starting to spread out, it's okay because we will cover the gaps in a second layer. Gently push the resin out towards the edges. After the layer has fully cured, do a second layer to cover any of the missed spots. I usually cure each side for about 2 to 3 minutes. If you do see tiny air bubbles in your resin, you can pop them with a toothpick or quickly pass a lighter flame over the surface. And if your piece still feels sticky after curing, it usually means that your lamp isn't strong enough or the layer was too thick. Try curing it for another 2 minutes. A properly cured piece should feel hard and smooth and not tacky. When you're done, wipe off the excess resin from your brush and wrap it in aluminum foil to prevent it from drying or getting dirty, so you don't have to buy a new paintbrush every time. Make sure to also clean your work area and cure any leftover resin before disposing of it. When working with any kind of resin, it always helps to be extra patient. Take the time to apply each layer properly and your creation will look much better in the end. I hope these tips were helpful and that you'll feel more confident in using UV resin in your clay crafts. I've linked all the supplies I use in the description below so you can find them easily. If you found this helpful, please subscribe to my channel to see my future videos. It really helps me out. Happy sculpting! Thank you and bye!